Cancer is probably the most insidious disease and the most frightening word you can hear in your life.
You're fighting for everything. You're fighting for everything when you find out you have this terrible disease.
Patients turn to the Tower Cancer Research Foundation, a place of hope, a place of healing, and a place where humanity is never forgotten.
The Tower Cancer Research Foundation, along with the Tower Medical Group, is probably the warmest, most supportive, most comforting place to get cancer care.
It would be very easy to say that our goal is to cure cancer. Certainly that would be our dream. Our goal is to improve the lives of patients who have few options by offering them cutting-edge clinical trials and hopefully and perhaps the new best treatment.
The Frank E. Rosenfeld Drug Development Program at Tower seeks new cancer treatments through the Foundation's numerous clinical trials.
The type of cancer that I have is known as salivary gland cancer. It's located sort of in the side of my face. Undergoing this clinical trial really didn't scare me, just seemed like the smart way to go. There's the altruistic part of me that hopes that what they learned from me and the way this treatment affects me will help others. And then there's the selfish side of me that wants this experimental drug to do what it's supposed to do and do what it's supposed to do right now on me.
As the Foundation's reputation has grown, Tower Research Foundation has come into its own, becoming a major force in the war against cancer.
We are now being approached by pharmaceutical companies to do phase 1 clinical trials, which are important in early development. We have other major institutions looking to us to collaborate.
The success of Tower's clinical trials can be measured in tangible terms.
One of the wonderful things that we've accomplished is that we have succeeded in helping the development of 6 or 7 drugs that have come to market. These drugs are now available for all cancer patients around the world.
Paramount to the Tower Cancer Research Mission is the support of the best young minds as they carry out basic scientific research.
I think my proudest moment is the awarding of $100,000 research grants, double the research grants that we thought we would be able to give for pure scientists who are working to find answers to our questions. Research is the only answer to finding treatments and cures.
One of the important objectives that the Research Foundation is dedicated to is reaching out to the community, reaching out to our patients beyond simply medical care.
Committed to improving the lives of all cancer patients, Tower's outreach includes the Ronnie Lippin Information and Resource Line and free educational materials for physicians and the public. And the Foundation holds monthly educational workshops and 4 times a year symposia discussing various cancers, all without charge to the community.
I'm proud to say that we had a symposium for the medical community on cancer of the pancreas, where speakers and participants came from around the country to be educated on the latest therapies.
The need to treat the whole patient, not just the disease, is a priority for the Foundation.
Our new psychosocial programs are an outreach to help people feel better about their situations. This year we've started these programs. We offer yoga, we offer some group therapies, we work with the wellness community, we work with WeSpark. The more we can help people, the better we like it.
The entire staff, the doctors, nurses, the research coordinators, the Bosom Buddies volunteers in the treatment room care deeply for each and every patient.
Everybody here is going above and beyond to make me healthy and make me better and to heal from this, and that's what matters to me.
We try to give people hope. We heal when we can, and we do it with kindness.
Believing in the work of the Foundation has enlisted volunteers, such as the Bosom Buddies and the newly established Magnolia Council, to oversee and expand its many activities, including the annual Popover Breakfast and the Spirit of Hope Luncheon. It is through support like this that Tower Cancer Research Foundation's fight against cancer and their quest for a cure remains on course.
Our future is to try to bring in more and more patients for clinical trials, to get greater access to new and important drugs that may be in the pipeline, and to give greater access to more patients to obtain those drugs. What we're really looking for is important breakthroughs in all the different types of cancer. And we're going to continue to work very hard to do that.
Until there is a final answer, a final cure, a final question resolved in the treatment and cure of cancer, Tower Cancer Research Foundation will never stop. We have a long way to go, but every single day we make progress.